The rise of China will certainly be one of the critical events of the 21st century. Its influence is undoubtedly growing around the world. But is it a threat or an opportunity? The world is worrying about China's new art of war, sharp power. It is defined as authoritarian influence efforts that seek to pierce, penetrate, and perforate the political and information environments of targeted countries. Sri Lanka's close relationship with the authoritarian global power China has sparked alarms of Sri Lanka becoming a victim of sharp power strategies according to the most of the international observers. But what is the true picture? What you see on the surface does not represent what is actually happening. You can see the tip of the iceberg, but the larger part will remain unseen. You see the love between two humans, but the big picture shows two strangers. Many of our opinions are immensely influenced by the world around us. When it comes to China's influence in Sri Lanka, we see many perspectives and forces that cover the reality, especially the absence of Sri Lankan voice and empirical evidence. My research aim is to go beyond these presumptions and assumptions and investigate whether the concept of sharp power is sufficient to understand China's influence in the Sri Lankan education and information spheres. I believe my contribution to the field will help to shape the Sri Lankan foreign policy towards China and global relations with the authoritarian power.